Hello, learners. Hope you're having a great day. This is the level 5. In this level, we will be learning the description, that is, the adjectives. Variable adjectives, invariant adjectives, and commonly used adjectives. So, what are adjectives? Adjectives help us to convey additional information about a noun. This additional information can either be about its quality or its quantity. There are two types of adjectives in Hindi, variable and invariant. Let us see what do they mean. So, variable change depending on gender and number of the noun. So, adjectives are dependent on what? Solely upon noun. And under variable, how do they change? They change with the gender and the number of the noun. So, invariant, they, as the name itself means, do not change at all. So, variable adjectives. These adjectives are called so because their forms change depending on the gender and the number of the noun. Let us look at the examples. English, masculine, feminine, masculine, plural. The English adjective, tall. Now, in Hindi, it is called lamba for referring to somebody whose gender is masculine. If you remember from the level 2, what do we add? The A sound. However, for the feminine, we were adding the E sound, lambi. Masculine plural, the A sound, the short E sound. Alright? Lambe. Deep, gehra, masculine, gehri, feminine, gehre, masculine, plural. Black, kala, feminine, kali, masculine plural, kale. Green, the color green, hara, a sound, hari, and masculine plural, hare. Old, purana, then feminine purani, puranne. Good, acha, achi, ache. Similarly, old, buddha, buddhi, buddhe. Move ahead. Another point to note is that adjectives can be placed either in front of the noun it describes or immediately after the, depending on the kind of sentence that you are forming. Let us look at the example for a better clarity. That is an old book. So, what is the adjective over here in the English sentence? Old. वह पुरानी किताब है. So, what are you doing? In Hindi, we are adding, in this sentence, we have added the adjective just before the noun. Noun, the counterpart for book or the lexicon for book is kitab. So, what have we done is kitab is after the adjective. Then that book is old. Now, what have I done? I've switched the position. That book is old. However, the meaning remains the same. That is an old book. That book is old. वह किताब पुरानी है. In what circumstances would you say that book is old? I might say the version or the year that was published in the second sentence. I would say I would be meaning to say that the version of that book is older. Now, that is an old book, the first sentence. When would I say that, or when would we usually say that it is an, sorry, that is an old book. That is an old book. We would say under the situations like we haven't touched, or this book has been throughout untouched from many years. All right. यह नदी गहरी है. This river is deep. The second sentence, this is a deep river. So, what are we seeing? The emphasis is changing. This river is deep. So, in the first sentence, the emphasis was on river. However, in the second sentence, the emphasis is on the adjective. This is a deep river. यह गहरी नदी है. Alright? See the positions, how they are changing. यह नदी गहरी है. The other one, यह गहरी नदी है. Sentence examples. समुंदर गहरा है. The sea is deep. We see the R sound, which is inculcating that it is masculine. अनीता लंबी है. E sound, it is feminine. पत्थर काले हैं, masculine plural. वह अच्छा लड़का है. He is a nice boy, masculine. ये पुरानी गाड़ी है. This car is old, or this is a old car. पत्ते हरे हैं, masculine plural. The leaves are green. करण लंबा है. Again the R sound, masculine. करण is tall. वह बूढ़ी औरत है. She is an old woman, feminine. Then masculine plural. वह मकान पुराने हैं. You see, A sound, the short E sound. Those houses are old.